Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a natural glam for my girlies that are natural. I'm starting this video off with no makeup on. So, yes. First, I'm going to start off with my Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. Green tea extract and LA burst from Burst. And I'm going to apply this on my skin for glowy skin. That's what you want when you go to for natural makeup. This glowy, bright, beautiful looking skin, and that's what I think every girl goes for nowadays in 2022. I think it's very, this is gonna be a very, this is a very, this is a pores no more primer, a luminizing primer, so this is gonna add glow and fill in the pores. From Dr.Brandt. This is like a very glowy primer, as you can tell. You probably can't tell I do have some glow right here. So, yeah. Ooh, that feels so cooling on the back of my hand because it feels hydrating. Just gonna do for skin today. I'm gonna be using the Skin Finish foundation. This is a very natural medium coverage foundation. It can go up to full coverage, but for this look, I'm gonna do more full medium coverage. Like, just pump a few spots out. Pump a few ones out. For then I'm gonna use this Clear Covered Liquid Concealer from Holy Beauty, and it's the shade Biscuit. This is a very yellow concealer, but it's so natural and but full. You know what I mean? Oh, look, it looks so glowy and fresh, clean. I'm gonna do a set, and this is a nice hydrating, beautiful powder. To me, it's hydrating. I don't know if it is. I powdered on the face, the T-zone area where I don't, and so now I'm going to contour using my favorite bronzers. And this one right here and these two shades. Oh, this is my favorite bronzer, but these are my favorite shades, and if I run out of them, I'm just going to use the other two. And then I'm going to use this blush right here. You can tell I like it because I want to get that sun-kissed glowy natural look for my base because this is the natural base. I'm going to fix my brows somewhat. Okay. Went in and fixed my brows a little bit. We're gonna do the eyes. The eyes are gonna be really simple. You know, I'm just gonna take this brush here, this nice fluffy big brush, and swirl into those bronzer colors. And for like the lid, for like the shimmer shade, you know what I mean? I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Exhibitionist lid paint, and this don't have a color on it or anything. Oh, it does. Sorry, sweetie. It's called So Sweet. Yeah. Crazy. I just put 2 dots on each eyelid. Sorry. Oh, I forgot. I brought this concealer. I never had to use it. This has got like a powdery finish when you blend it out with your fingers and stuff, and you can really feel it. You know, this is not a really natural. And there's green one that I really like. If I want a pop of color, I want extra glam, I'll go to. And it's the same one that Expeditions Lip Paint. Sorry that I blocked y'all's way. With this stupid mirror. I'm gonna try to show y'all what I'm doing, really. What I took was those 2 bronzer shades right there, the deeper ones. Sorry, let me zoom in. These 2 right here. These 2. Yeah. And it's got like that reddy finish. So it's like really. Okay. This is like a natural glam, but if you do want to see a no makeup tutorial, go to a natural makeup tutorial. I'll give you one. Just so you know. This should be short because I'm just going to do lips after this. I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara for this little trick for my makeup. I meant my lashes. I mean my makeup, not my lashes, you know. This is just natural quick glam. This is like a natural 5-minute quick glam, you know. Kidding, 15 minutes. Let's see. Lips. I got a bag full of lippies that I like this combo. This is a good combo. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I can. Before that cuts off on me. So this is the glam. Hope you liked it. I didn't really go too in depth with all the products I use and anything like that. This is my favorite combo at the moment, and then here is my eyeshadow, just simple little thing that I can pick up, put on, and go. So yes, the base is always the same, no matter what. I just didn't apply highlighter this time, so I'll see y'all later in my next video. Bye.